So how do you uninstall this thing if you need to? Well, what you do is you go to the Start menu, you go to the Control panel, and it will come up with Uninstall a Program. Come down here, or in the classic view, you go to Programs, Programs and Features, and it'll come up with a list like this. Double clicking on it, and no P, yep, you click on that and you go uninstall there, or in the control panel home, uninstall the program, the same list comes up, no P, quantum, and go uninstall there. So what you need to be aware of is once you've uninstalled Quantum GIS, you really should do a registry clean. And one of those Piriform products, the cleaning product, will do that for you. Otherwise, there's a whole bunch of others like McAfee and so forth that will do that. It will just make the uninstallation just a whole bunch cleaner, and keep your system maintained and ready for the next time you install Quantum GIS. Okay, bye.